Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Dr. Unani. Do you struggle with painful, irregular, or heavy periods? You are definitely not alone. Many women face these issues every month, but the good news is with the right care and habits, your periods can be smoother and healthier. In today's video, I am going to share natural, Unani, and scientific ways to help you get pain-free, smooth periods. So, let's dive in. First, let's understand what a healthy period really looks like. A smooth period usually lasts about 3 to 7 days, has moderate flow, not heavy bleeding, comes at a regular interval every 21 to 35 days. Doesn't cause extreme pain or fatigue. Color will be bright red to dark red, not too pale, not pitch black. Signs of an unhealthy cycle can include very heavy bleeding, scanty flow, irregular timing, severe cramps, flow with large clots, foul smell or severe mood swings, extreme fatigue. Tracking your cycle is essential. It helps you notice patterns, detect changes early, and manage your health better. You can use apps, journals, or even a simple calendar. Now, why do some periods feel so uncomfortable? Common reasons include hormonal imbalances, poor diet or nutrient deficiencies, stress and lack of sleep, sedentary lifestyle. From a Unani perspective, menstrual problems often occur due to an imbalance of humors or temperament. Maintaining harmony in your body's natural systems can improve your cycles. Now let's focus on important tips for smooth periods. Number 1. Balanced diet. Eating the right foods can make a huge difference. Focus on iron-rich foods like leafy greens, lentils, and dates, magnesium-rich foods like nuts and seeds, and drink plenty of water. Avoid excessive junk food and sugary snacks which can worsen cramps. Let's even make it more appropriate by adding healthy bites for each phase, before periods. Eat magnesium-rich foods, nuts, seeds, dark chocolate. Helps to reduce bloating and cramps. Add omega-3 rich foods, fish, flax seeds, walnuts. Helps mood balance. Reduce salty, junk foods. It lowers water retention. During periods, iron-rich foods, leafy greens, dates, lentils, pomegranate. Replenish blood loss. Hydrating foods, soups, fruits, coconut water. Prevent fatigue. Herbal teas, ginger, chamomile, fennel. Soothe cramps. After periods, that is recovery phase. Protein-rich foods, eggs, paneer, legumes. Rebuild strength. Vitamin C foods, oranges, amla, strawberries. Boost iron absorption. Whole grains or vegetables restore energy levels. Number 2. Unani herbal support. Some herbs are traditionally used to support smooth periods. Fennel seeds can ease cramps, cinnamon may help regulate cycles, and ashwagandha supports hormonal balance. Always use safe doses and consult a professional if needed. Number 3. Lifestyle habits. Sleep and stress management are crucial. Try yoga, meditation, or simple walks. Consistent sleep and daily movement reduce cramps and improve hormonal balance. Number 4. Avoiding triggers. Caffeine, processed foods, and late nights can worsen period discomfort. Reducing these triggers helps your body maintain balance naturally. Number 5. Period hygiene or care. Simple things like a warm compress on your abdomen, herbal teas like chamomile or ginger, and proper rest during periods can relieve pain and promote comfort. Number 6. Tracking your cycle. As mentioned earlier, using a journal or app to track your cycle helps identify patterns, detect irregularities, and allows you to prepare for your period better. Number 7. When to seek medical help. If you experience very painful, irregular, or heavy bleeding, it's important to consult a doctor. Sometimes underlying conditions need attention, and early intervention helps. Let's summarize. Balanced diet, herbal support, healthy lifestyle habits, avoiding triggers, period care, and tracking your cycle are all key to smooth, pain-free periods. Remember, small daily changes lead to big results. Your periods don't have to be painful or disruptive. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more natural Unani information and healthy tips, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.